When a sitting chief minister can get bail, Kejriwal, why not Shifa?
Why not a candidate against Mr. Kejriwal? Why not a candidate against Manish Sisodia?
People forget what Kejriwal has done. For 5 years, people should be incarcerated in jail. Who's suffering? It is the Muslims who are suffering now.
I am in Okhla constituency and I have with me Mr. Asaduddin Awaisi, who is here to campaign for his candidate Shifaur Rahman. Sir, thanks for talking to NDTV. Sir, why Shifaur Rahman is your candidate? Sir, there are other Muslims who are still in jail. Why Shifaur Rahman?
The law permits me to have Shifa Rahman as my candidate. And I've not done anything wrong. Our party has taken a firm decision. With all the respect we have for Shifa and his family, we have taken a decision. There's nothing wrong. The law permits me. That is why he's contesting elections. And please remember that Mr. Shifa Rahman is not in prison for some grievous bodily harm or some attacking someone or encroaching on someone's property. He had protested. He wanted, and protest is a right in another constitution. He protested against the black law called CAA. What wrong has he done? The courts will decide. Definitely justice will be done. But please tell me, is it right that for 5 years people should be incarcerated in jail? When a sitting chief minister can get bail, Kejriwal, why not Shifa? When the deputy chief minister can get bail after 15 months, why not all the people who are in jail? When this person who's on his last legs as Okhla MLA, he can get bail twice, why not Shifa and other people?
Why only two candidates in Delhi Assembly polls?
This is our party decision.
Sir, why not a candidate against Mr. Kejriwal? Why not a candidate against Manish Sisodia?
Manish Sisodia will definitely see what his government has done, because in his constituency that Tablighi Jamaat Markaz comes. People forget what Kejriwal has done. And we remind him and we remind the people of Delhi that this was the government headed by this person who had filed a personal complaint and ensured an FIR issued against Tablighi Jamaat. This led to the targeting of Muslims, discrimination against Muslims, beatings of Muslims. There were women who were assaulted in custody because of only they were Muslims. That is the greatest disservice this Kejriwal has done at that time. And look at these other issues, look at the development, the so-called farce development which they claim. For 10 years, you have been in power. Wherever I have gone into, not only these two assembly segments, where a large number of Muslim Dalits lives, no development is seen. You can see mountains of garbage and debris and dirt. You can see sewerage lines are overflowing. Stormwater drains are not being cleaned. This government is paying some 3,000, 4,000 crores for free water. In a constituency like Okhla, every day in the morning, 7:38, you can hear a person shouting 25 rupees for first floor a liter of water, 30 rupees for second floor clean water. All these claims are farce. And I'm telling you, this Kejriwal, Modi, they have duped the people of Delhi. And what kind of alliance was this to stop BJP in parliament elections? We didn't contest. All these farcical political steps which these parties take, who's suffering? It is the Muslims who are suffering now. That is why MIM has intervened. We want a political voice. We want a representative, inshallah, in the Delhi Assembly.
President MLA from Okhla, Amaratullah Khan. Sir, questioning, where was Mr. Owaisi during Delhi riots? I was there, I was helping the needy people, I was distributing money to the needy person.
What money his government has distributed? Even in terms of ex gratia, they have discriminated. Come to Mustafabad with me. What sort of ex gratia amount they have given? Even in that, they have discriminated. As far as what I have done, I can prove I have done so many things. But I don't want to, show how I have done some favor. What political party we can do, we have done it. Legally, we have tried to help many people. I have raised my voice in the parliament, outside the parliament, questioning the government. In my speech is there on the Delhi riots. What did their leaders talk about it? Where was his leader? Did he went and tour the affected areas, Kejriwal? He went and sat at Rajghat. Why didn't he make a personal complaint against all the people who lost their properties? When Kejriwal can give a written complaint his government about Tablighi Jamaat, why not for all these communal right victims who have lost their lives and properties?
So do you think a large number of Muslim vote is dividing in Okhla
No.
by making Shifaur Rahman as your party candidate?
करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग मुजाहिद साहब, यहाँ पर 2 मरतबा को एमएलए बनता है ना, 2 मरतबा के बाद चेंज हुआ था ना यहाँ पे, 2 बार हो गया, खत्म है अब, 2 बार। यहाँ का जो सबर का पैमाना है 10 साल, 10 साल के बाद तब बदलाव है यहाँ पे। आप देख लीजिए वो अपने शोएब हाशमी साहब, परवेज हाशमी साहब, फिर वो तो उसके बाद फिर पार्टी वाइज देखे तो आप 2 बार हो गया, 2 बार अब जाएंगे, वो घर में बैठने का टाइम है उनका।
Sir, my last question, how strong do you consider yourself in this election, sir?
See, we are working very hard, and that all our people are trying their utmost best, and I'm sure, inshallah, justice will be done in the form of victory to Shifaur Rahman.
Thank you so much, sir.